Today I am going to cook chicken rendang, and before I get started I'm going to show you all the ingredients that we need to prepare before we start the cooking. So here we have daun kunyit, daun limau purut, and a couple of lemongrass, and then 2 pack of coconut milk, and then this one lengkuas and onion, and 4 packs of kerisik. So the first thing I need to do is I need to cut this daun kunyit into pieces, into very small pieces, to mix into all of the ingredient. Okay, ingredient which is chili kering, or we call it as a cabai kering. So we leave it boil into the bowl for around 20 to 30 minutes in order to make it soft and remove the seeds. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, after I blend the cabai kering in here, and then we need to pour it inside the chicken that we cut into according to their part. This is the process where we are going to I'm the one who doing it. So this is the process that I am going to marinate the chicken, so you can later taste the spicy of the chicken whenever the rendang is ready. After 20 to 30 minutes, now we're going to put the kerisik kelapa tamadun lah sangat.
Can I record you as well? No. Behind the scene is my father is watching and observing because this is his recipe. We inherit it for quite a long time ago. And the last one.
And after that we're going to put the coconut milk. Shake before use. Shake it, shake it.
kosong kita di sini. Ini ada second part. Resepi. Now we begin to stir it. Just like that. It's been nearly 1 hour since I start from the beginning to cook this chicken rendang. Actually we have 2 chicken in here. Okay, let's leave it until the rendang is turned to dry.
Okay, now we just add daun limau and daun kunyit. And then the last thing is we need to put the sugar and the salt as well. So let's wait until the end of it.